Hey folks, Mike Green here at Prima Coffee, and today we are talking about the mini hopper for Mahlkonig's E65S espresso grinder. This 1/4 capacity hopper is perfect for anybody looking for a more compact take on their E65S. So the mini hopper here for the E65S is going to be made specifically for the E65S right now. So if you have a Peak or a K30 of any sort, an EK43, this will not be a hopper that you can use, but it is going to be a great option for the E65S. It's going to share a lot of features with the other hoppers from Mahlkonig that you're familiar with. So the same easy open and close gate, the same all plastic construction, and pretty easy to install and remove whenever you need to. If you were looking to install or, well, to swap out from the larger hopper to the smaller hopper, it's as simple as closing the gate so that you're not letting any new beans through, grinding out the espresso that you have that's already made its way into the burr set, giving your hopper a counterclockwise turn to lift up and away. Once you set that hopper aside, you're going to want to make sure that you line up this one single piece of plastic on the outside of the collar of the hopper here on what is going to be the left side of the grinder. There's a slot there that hits the actuator switch that allows for the grinder to actually run. Otherwise, it'll never fit in. But a good stiff clockwise turn to lock it in place, and you should be all ready to go. With this installed here, your total height is going to now be 17.5 inches, which is going to be a snug little fit between most home countertops and cabinetry. So if you have to push this underneath your cabinets, you will have to pull it out to be able to reload it, but otherwise it should fit on your home countertop just as easily as most other home grinders would. And in the cafe setting, this is going to be perfect for single dose grinding, or if you're using it as a decaf grinder or anything else that's going to be much lower volume than perhaps your house espresso, depending on volume. All right, folks, that's it for the mini hopper for Mahlkonig's E65S espresso grinder. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll talk to you next time. See ya. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, you can find all sorts of comparisons, product overviews, and educational content right here on our channel. So be sure to like and subscribe. And of course, you can always find us online at primacoffee.com. See y'all next time.